My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware called Wing. Wing is a new ransomware that may damage the files. This Wing ransomware encrypts files and appends a special extension to them. As a result, it is not possible to use the files. My video is for educational purposes, of course. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. In the video, I will show you how damaging this ransomware is, and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your data, but very soon users realize that something bad has taken place with their data. So they notice that some ransom note has been found on the screen, and also very soon users notice that a special extension has been appended to the file names, and it is then just impossible to use the data. The ransomware encrypts files and also tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is obviously not a good solution because this does not guarantee the file restoration. And if you pay that ransom, the chances are that you will just waste your money. So, very soon users realize that these files have been damaged and the Wing extension has been given to the file names. Now, what I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware with Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install the software and start researching your system. Click on Start Scan button. The application will initially be in the trial mode, and so only quick scan option is available. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database. And this is definitely essential, so do not skip this very important step. After the anti-malware database gets updated, the applications start to research your computer. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature, which only helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data. It does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which decrypts files. But Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to remove this ransomware. You can upgrade to Premium and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description for this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover at least some of your files. Once again, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Combo Cleaner helps to remove this ransomware effectively. And regarding file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to recover your data.